Hello बच्चों, the question says here the resistance force F acting on a body versus the distance traveled by the body is plotted in the figure. मतलब एक resistive force F and उसका distance traveled is given in this graph. The mass of the body is 25 kg. Body का mass 25 kg और initial speed 2 meter per second है. What is the kinetic energy of the body at a distance 2 meter? Distance 2 meter पे कितना उसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी है हमें फाइंड करना है. व्हाट इज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी? नाउ फॉर दिस वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड सबसे पहले की कॉन्सेप्ट. व्हाट आर द की कॉन्सेप्ट हियर? द की कॉन्सेप्ट इज basically area under fx graph, area under force and displacement graph, that is fx graph gives you work done, gives the work done. ये हमें वर्क डन यहाँ से मिल जाएगा, राइट? तो हमें यहाँ तक डिस्टेंस, वी नीड टू फाइंड अ डिस्टेंस अप टू 2 मीटर तक. 2 मीटर का डिस्टेंस स्टार्ट करना है बॉडी 1 to 2, दैट इज टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इज 1. तो एंड सेकेंड कंसेप्ट वी नीड टू यूज द वर्क एनर्जी प्रिंसिपल. वर्क एनर्जी प्रिंसिपल, work energy principle. So let us go with the first of all area is up to 1 to 2, that is half into base into height. So work done is equal to half into base into height, half into base into height. What is the base here? Base is simply 2 minus 1 is 1 and height is 20. तो work done हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 10 joule. Total work done is 10 joule. Now initial kinetic energy is also given and mass is also given. So the work done is equal to, work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, change in kinetic energy. तो kinetic energy का change, that is a final velocity minus initial, that is a final kinetic energy half m v square minus half m u square. Now for this हमें 2 मीटर तक की काइनेटिक एनर्जी फाइंड करनी है. सो वी नीड टू यूज हियर द काइनेटिक एनर्जी. फाइनल इनिशियली काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज, initially kinetic energy is here half mv square, half mv square minus half mu square final minus initial. So this is the kinetic energy. Half kinetic energy final is simply ke final minus half kinetic energy initial is mass is 25 or initial velocity is 2, 2 का square, it will be kinetic energy final, which is equal to half into minus here half into 25 into 2 का square is 4. So kinetic energy final kef final, can I say, minus of 2 ones are 2 twos are 50, and here 10 joule was the initial work done. So 10 joule is equal to kinetic energy final is equal to 10 plus 50, which is equal to 60 joule. तो final kinetic energy होगा after 2 meter, kinetic energy after 2 meter is 60 joule. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.